Hello everyone, welcome to Weldtech Plastic Technologies. My name is Farman. Today we will show you how to operate our W315 CNC butt welding machine. Our machine is for using butt welding procedure of HDPE 100, HDPE 80 and PPR pipes and fittings starting from 90 mm up to 315 mm. During welding procedure, our machine automatically calculates all pressures, heating and cooling times, so no need to make any pressure regulation before starting to use this machine. And also our machine gives a welding report end of the welding procedure with the USB device. Before starting the welding, I will tell you the parts of the machine. One main body, one hydraulic unit with CNC control unit, one trimmer and one heater. So when you buy this machine, you will need only electricity power to use this machine. The machine is monophase and working with 9 kVA generator. Before connecting with generator, you have to be sure that generator is already working. Otherwise, maybe because of some power surges, your hydraulic unit can be harmed. So now we will make welding of HDPE 100 315 mm SDR 17 pipes. Before welding, we have to be sure that pipes are clean. And after cleaning pipes, we will take out the heater keeping. As you see that it's too easy to take out it. And we can now open machine fully and put there the trimmer. The trimming procedure you can do manually with the button. During the trimming procedure, 40 and maximum 50 bar will be enough. Sometimes the users give much more pressure to finish quickly the trimming procedure, but much more bars can harm your trimmer. So as you see, it's enough for trimming. Now we can take out the trimmer and check the pipes if they are okay for welding. Now as you see that pipes are ready for welding, and we will put the heater and start from the CNC control screen the welding procedure. When you open CNC screen, you will see like this menu. There is 3 type of language, which is English of course, and before welding procedure there you can see the warning, USB device is not connected. In this situation you cannot supply welding report. So we are connecting our USB device in this point as you see. after we connected USB device, this warning is changing as USB active. So now we can start the welding procedure. Before starting procedure, we are choosing the material is HDPE 100. The size is 315, so we're changing as 315. Pipe is PN10, so SDR 17 we have to choose. Yeah, SDR 17. And this information is for your report, as you see. This report, before starting welding, you can check from there also. This option screen also. Of course, before welding, we already wrote these informations, but I will show you how to write here. For example, you can choose and write here Weldtech and put enter. Now we can go to welding screen. Now we are in welding screen. In this screen you can see some details during the welding procedure: heating up time, cooling time, total pressure, real pressure, output pressure, and also the heater temperature, movement pressure. Before starting welding, of course, you have to be sure that your heater is nearly 220 degrees. And now our heater, as you see, 218 and 19 or 17, nearly the 220. So it's that means the heater is ready for welding. When we say start for welding, you will see another warning there: move the clamps to starting point by pressing a left button. We have to be sure that our machine clamps are fully open. As I told in the starting of this video, machine automatically calculate all pressures. So the clamps need to be fully open. When the clamps moving to closing, at this time machine calculating these pressures. That's why we have to be sure that the clamps are fully open. So when we say now start, machine will go to heating time with the pressure, and after that we will see the bead on the pipes. In this time we also add some joist there. Maybe you can add much more time for bead, for pipe bead or not. We will see now after welding heating procedure. So when we say start, the machine, as you see, close it automatically, and a bead is processing, as you see there, with the pressure. Now we'll check the bead. Maybe because of environmental temperature or your pipe quality, maybe you will need some more beading time, bead processing time. We add a choice for that. Add some more time or not, you will see now. So there are extra time for bead. If you put yes, it will add some more second, but no, the machine will go to heating up time. As you see, it's nearly 180 seconds for this pipe. Before heating up time finish, I want to explain this pause button also. As you know, when heating up time finish, the machine will automatically open and we have to take off the heater. But let's imagine that we cannot take off heater at that time. We can pause machine and take out heater and push again pause to continue the machine procedure. We will see now when the heating up time finish, there will be alarm to take off the heater. With this alarm, normally we have to take off the heater, but now we will not take, and to show you the pause button configuration, function. I now put the pause. As you see, the machine stopped to close. We can now easily take out heater, and if push again the pause, clamps will be closed. Let's check it. Of course, normally no need to push that pause button because there will be enough time to take out the heater. But as I told you, maybe let's imagine we cannot take at that time. There will be some problem. We can use this pause button. Now when the clamps close it, the welding procedure actually finished, but we have to wait for a cooling time, as you see there. This cooling time. When this cooling time finish, we will see a report on screen, and in this report there you see the red light will be green, and after 1 or 2 minutes machine will send a report to the USB device. So as you see like this, when cooling time finish, the report automatically comes to screen, and the red light goes to a green light. And after 2 minutes approximately, machine will send a report automatically to USB device. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching us. You can contact with us from our website, which is written below this video on YouTube.